Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today we are back with another hair video, and today I'm doing a protein hair mask that took me less than 2 minutes to make it. Now let's get started with this video. My first ingredient will be eggs, and for today's purpose I will be using about 3 eggs. Next I will add some honey, and if I had to measure I would say 1 to 2 spoons of honey. My next ingredient will be a little bit of coconut oil. Mix it all up and my hair mask is ready. Actually, it took me less than 60 seconds to do it, not even 2 minutes. Now I'm gonna apply this on my daughter's hair. This is the perfect hair mask for her hair right now because her hair just came out of a protective hairstyle she had for almost 2 weeks. This hair mask can fight any dandruff, clean her scalp from excess oil, strengthen the hair, promote hair growth. I mean, the list goes on and on. This hair mask is very good for her right now. If you enjoyed this video so far, please consider pressing that like button, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content, and why not share this video with your friend, family, or anyone you know. Now I'm just gonna add extra around the edges because the edges always need extra love. After this I will let her sit with it for a few minutes. After a few minutes, I will rinse it out with cold water. Not so cold water, but also not so hot water because I'm not trying to make any omelets or any scrambled egg on her hair. So yeah. Then I will continue my regular wash day routine. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, press that like button, and see you on next video. Bye.